The Google Pixel XL shows that it's ready for the future with Android 7.1 Nougat, along with the promise of operating system updates for the next 2 years and security updates for 3 years. Case in point, it already has Android 7.1.2, which is mostly comprised of bug fixes. Its minimalist approach to the home screen and the notification shade is in unassuming contrast to the depth and real focus of Google Assistant. People loved it about stock Android versus an interface like Samsung's TouchWiz. You're not going to be bombarded with too many unnecessary apps. What's here, you'll actually use. Google Photos is a great example. It provides an easy backup solution for all of your media, and photos and video shot with your Pixel XL get backed up at full resolution with unlimited cloud storage. That's a huge relief if you only go for the 32GB Google Pixel XL and aren't into taking photos with a DSLR and transferring them to your phone. That still counts against your cloud quota. But this phone is more than a fast pass to early Google updates and a clean, straightforward Android interface. This year it actually debuts a second, literal, front-facing feature, VR. We tested out the Google Daydream View headset with the Pixel XL, and it worked as it should, giving us an immersive 360-degree virtual reality experience via an inexpensive headset.